It's your boy L Sauce. Hey, it's your boy L Sauce. Subscribe.
Standing in the bottom.
All right, y'all. So we got Jay, co-owner of Lulu's Chicken and Seafood.
Maryland style.
Maryland style, yeah. And so you're co-owner with who?
With my wife, Makita,
Okay.
and she's taking care of some stuff at home today, so she's not here.
Okay. All right. So first question, and y'all, he took some time out of his day to come, answer some questions, y'all. And this place is busy. It's constantly busy, and he's a busy man. So I appreciate you taking time. So the first question is, what inspired you to open a restaurant, and specifically on the west side of Charlotte?
Actually, so the location is by happenstance. The restaurant idea, initially my mother, which was the original Lulu, I was going to open her restaurant in Baltimore before she passed, and then she had a stroke and then ended up dying from her injuries within a year. And so at the time I was a bounty hunter. And so I kept bounty hunting in Baltimore until bail bonds took a hit. And then a few years later, my grandmother died in Baltimore, and we buried her in South Carolina. And at the time I met my girlfriend, who is now my wife, I drove to South Carolina for the funeral. On the way back from South Carolina, I stopped in Charlotte and just never left. So I moved my business here. Bounty hunting got real good. Turned bounty hunting into bail bonds, did bail bonds for a while. And while I was in bail bonds, I kept looking for different buildings. And so this building just so happened to come about. And once I got the building, I put the full concept together, and the rest is history.
Are you still currently doing bail bonds?
Not right now, no.
Okay.
I still hold a license, but I'm not practicing.
What would you say is harder job, being a bail bondsman or owning a restaurant?
It depends on which part you're looking at. Actually doing bail bonds is easy. Being a bounty hunter is more time consuming. Owning a restaurant, to me, is more rewarding. So, it just depends on which aspect you're doing.
Yeah. What's your favorite thing on the menu? Obviously, it's like Maryland style seafood and chicken. But what's your favorite thing?
Ask me what you ordered. The Cajun salmon. The Cajun salmon is my favorite dish. My number 2 would be the crab fries. And actually, for me, I would put the crab cake in third. Believe it or not.
So this will be my first time ever having a crab cake, so I don't even know what to expect, but I heard good things. So
I tell you, the difference between Maryland style crab cake and everyone else is that Maryland style crab cake is, for the most part, all meat. Very little filler, jumbo lumps of crab meat, and it's pure crab. So you get the full flavor of a crab, of crab in a crab cake, as opposed to everywhere else you go to have like green peppers.
Right.
All type of other crab that essentially don't need to be inside.
No
of crab
fillers,
cake.
it's just straight up.
Just straight crab, yeah.
Okay, now question. If you could use a song to describe Lulu, what would it be?
Anthony Hamilton was fish, cornbread, fish, and collard greens. I think that's the name of it.
I'm a pimp girl. I'm a pimp girl.
Okay.
That joint.
Okay.
That, honestly, if I could get anybody to come here to check out LuLus, here's a couple, but Anthony Hamilton.
Hey, Anthony Hamilton.
Because of that song, man, I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yeah, Anthony Hamilton, he's a Charlotte guy.
Yeah, yes, he lives well, not far from here,
Yeah.
but yeah.
He's amazing, man.
Yeah, I like Anthony Hamilton.
Okay, now, I know you guys are doing great. You guys are booming, man. I go on Instagram, like, that thing is just, I always constantly see my homie post it, everybody posting it. Have you thought about like a second location or a second restaurant idea? Oh, you already have it?
Location is actually, we're building it now. It's on the other side of Uptown. It's on Central Avenue.
Okay.
2308 Central Avenue.
Okay.
It's if you're coming from the direction of Briar Creek and you're headed towards Uptown, Where the McDonald's is on the right, if you look directly across the street, it's a location called Penthouse, it's a brewery. You'll see construction going on in the building right beside. That's our second location.
So it's gonna be the same exact thing?
Nah, it's gonna be way better, man. It's gonna be.
But is it LuLus or?
It's LuLus, yeah.
Okay, so it's seafood.
It'll be called LuLus on Central.
Oh, okay.
So it has a lot of the same concept, but we're gonna expand on the restaurant idea to have more outdoor patio seating, more indoor seating, full bar, have brunch on Sundays.
Okay, that's gonna be.
It's gonna be a little more expansive.
That's gonna be lit, especially in that area. Like for you to do what you did on the west side of Charlotte. I mean, the people came and I mean it received it well. Like, even over there, it's gonna be even better. You know what I mean?
Honestly, there's a lot of anticipation on that location. Like, I get questions daily about when it's opening, what the progress looks like on it.
Is this news like you released, or is this kind of like?
Oh yeah, it's released. It's on the internet already.
Okay.
Matter of fact, if you go online, there's actually pictures of what it's going to look like when it's done. Okay. So there's a rendering of what the end result is going to be, and the only thing that's not on there is what the new menu's going to look like. Okay.
Man, hey, y'all heard it here first, man. I want to thank Jay for taking some time out of his day.
No problem at
He's
all.
a busy man. I'm glad he could, answer some questions. To a little small guy like me, man, this guy is taking over Charlotte, man, for real.
I don't know about taking over.
Nah, it's on the way.
I just want my little piece of the pie.
Yeah, not taking over, but doing your thing and making a name for LuLus, man. And like I said, I'm a small guy, but for him to be the first guy to actually get on camera and speak with me. So
really? Okay.
Yeah, first one. So this is my first time too. So bear with me.
I'll tell you what, when Central open, if you want to come back and do something else, do another one, get a sneak peek at the location when it's coming up and getting ready. I'm willing to do that. You got my number. Hit me up, man. We'll go from there.
I appreciate it, man. Hey, what's up, y'all? So look, I just got back from LuLus. Man, Jay, shout out to Jay, man. I mean, awesome guy. But I ordered the salmon. Forgot exactly what I ordered. I'm gonna put it up there. But it comes with like salmon. It has like the crab meat on there. We got some greens. We got mac and cheese, and then we got the crab cake Maryland style. He said, this is the Maryland style. Doesn't have a lot of fillers and stuff like that. It's more meat. Got some candy yams and one double carbs. The lady said they're both really good, so I just went for it. So I'm gonna take a bite out of this first, man. Look at that. Wow. All right. That's delicious. The flavors are just like amazing, man. Like they're popping out. Got like a little kick to it, a little bit, not a real spicy, but you can taste like that seafood seasoning. I gotta see what kind of sauce this is, man, but this dish is just delicious, man. I'm gonna try to get some with this crab meat on there. This is the best seafood I had in a long time. Best salmon. Might be the best I've ever had, man. Like, I'm not even gassing. Get some of these greens. And I'm not eating all this by myself either. Of course, my girl's gonna help me eat this. We got a whole bunch of stuff. Let me try these greens. They know what they're doing. That's why they open in their location. The greens, you don't need to do anything to them. They got like a little sweet flavor to them. They're savory, got a little sweet taste to them. Okay, get in here for those greens. Now let's try this mac and cheese. Thank you, Lord. God is good always, man. And this is delicious, y'all. I'm not even capping. This is bomb. Real bomb. Damn. Macaroni and cheese, creamy. Man, delicious. Moving on. is my first time ever having a crab cake. You can tell that they use a lot of fresh ingredients in this. Real stuff. Look at how much crab is in there, y'all. Ain't no fillers, ain't no, onions, or that's just straight crab meat. Garlic mashed potatoes, mom. And the yams. Bomb. This is lunch and dinner. Look how big the portions are. I mean, y'all need to go to Lulu's right now. It's right on the west side, right past Cuzzo's Cuisine, man. The food there is amazing. Staff is friendly. And that place be busy, y'all. But they get the food out quick. I can't really say anything else, man. But like I said, this is like a 10 out of 10 for me, man. Honestly. Oh, also got this strawberry mango fresh juice that they make in house. Hitting. I'm like a loss of words, man. I'm not even kidding. I'm enjoying the rest of this meal, man. But like I said, I'm doing the Black-owned episodes now of the series. This is gonna be episode 2. I'm gonna continue just going to all the places where it's good at, and this might be, like I said, this is like the best food I had in a long time. I'm not even gassing it, man. Y'all should come check it out. I love y'all. Appreciate y'all for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you aren't subscribed. I'm just doing this for fun, man. Highlighting local businesses around, and I love y'all, man. Thank y'all for tuning in. Peace.